Hello and Assalamu alaikum. Today, our topic for you can say the variations is inverse proportions. So actually, I have alongside with me different type of questions that are usually coming in CIs related to variations. So we're going to solve few of the questions and then make you understand how to deal with them. These are basically paper one type of questions. So most of the questions that occur that usually come in paper one. So same thing I'm going to do that I will be going to solve one of the question through two methods which I've done in direct proportion. I'm going to solve same thing for inverse proportion. So the first method is basically the same thing that y is inversely. Inversely is basically we have to write down the proportionality sign and then write down the thing which is after inversely proportional. We have to write down as the reciprocal, means x is written, we can write down 1 over x. So if we replace that proportionality sign, there must be an equals to sign with a constant k. So k times 1 must be k. We can write on k divided by x. First information, through the first information, we can find the value for k. So when y is 1 by 6, replace y with 1 over 6 equals to k divided by x. X is equals to 30. When we cross multiply, so 30 times 1 is 30. 30 by 6 equals to k. So basically 6 1 times and 6 5 times is 30. So k equals to 5. So next thing we have to do the same process, that replacing the value of k into the equation connecting y and x, it becomes y equals to 5 divided by x. This is equation connecting y and x, and we can say expression for y in terms of x. Both are the same things. So what we have to do in the next process, we have to find y. We have to write on y as it is, where x is equals to 10. Replace the value of x with 10 and write down y as it is. So 5 over 10, and we can simplify it by 1 times and 5 2 times is 10 is basically 1 over 2, or we can say it's 0.5. Both are the same thing because it's paper one question. No need to convert the fractions into, you can say, decimal form. So I hope so you understand the first process. So I'm going to first method. I'm going to solve this specific question through the second method as well. So going to solve this thing through the second method. In the second method, you can see we have to write down y. One of the variable is y, other one is x. So when it is written y is inversely proportional to something, means if it is x squared or anything, we have to write down x squared at that place. When x is written, we have to write down x as it is. So now replacing the values, putting the values under y, we have to put 1 by 6 here, and under x at that time when y equals to 1 by 6, x was 30. So similarly, when y is unknown, we can replace with a. Say a is any variable written under that y. At that time, x was 10. So in direct proportion, we have to cross multiply them, but in in inverse proportion, we have to multiply the numbers which are written in front of them and put an equal sign, that 1 over 6 times 30 equals to a times 10. So we can simplify them. 6 1 times, 6 5 times. So 5 over 10 means 10 and a are going to multiply. So 10 will be going to divide onto the other side. So it becomes 5 1 times and 5 2 times. The same process. The answer of a, or we can say a was actually y. So answer is basically 1 over 2, the same thing. If you feel any of the method as easy as you like, so that will be fine. You can apply